Hi everyone, today I'm going to present the Admanox project called Feast Table. And this issue 30 Archlabs Archive 14. As you know, the project is about gathering around one meal and special events, holy events. And the feast table solves the issue of small spaces with a large number of people. So the idea is about events with a high number of people, efficiency of space, feast and gathering around one meal. I am looking at kinetic energy as part of this project, which will help me to create a comfortable and easy to assemble product, a product that is easy to move and a light structure through 3D printing. And these are references that I looked at of 3D printing, and some of them are very successful in terms of efficiency of material and structure. So kinetically responsive architecture, like these examples, that a table can expand, rotate, and scale in one space. So the research question is, how can an object adapt to their residents' needs and the space through physical gestures or visual expressions? And this sketch explains the concept of the project, where human movement is very important in manifesting this product. I was imagining a floating table coming down from the ceiling, or attached to a ceiling or attached to a wall, and then it unfolds gradually, but then start focusing more on how can you create an interesting function of a wall that turns into a table. How can you kinetically transform a wall into a table, which took me later to this sketch of a table that is attached to the wall, and then it unfolds in the space when needed. So it doesn't take a lot of space in the room. This is the sketch where I was actually focusing more on the underside of the table, because this is the part where it will be seen when it's hanged on the wall, and ignored the top part. While in the previous examples, previous concepts that I did, I focused more on the top and then ignored the leg part. But really, I needed to focus on the leg space. So here I was testing the form, and the form became more twisted to incorporate leg room and to incorporate this this flowy concept that I was showing in the sketch, which led to this form here, this one, the one in the middle. So this is a diagram showing the table components. So this is the bottom part, this is the table combined with the top part, and this is the table hanged on the wall. But this 2D design drawing or 2D diagram shows the top view and the rear view and the front view of the table. So this is a front view of it, like you see here. And these are side views. In the render, you can see it alone there sitting in the room. And we were discussing the idea of having it like a lamp and working on perforated openings here, which will be the next stage. This is it in the room. I think it's the actual product looks very nice in terms of how the bottom part is part of the top part is one piece instead of two pieces, which I had previously. And it's working successfully, especially when it's like landing on the ground. It's much nicer than it when it's in the top. So this is the 3D printed images of the model, which was sent printing. And that's it for today. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you next week.